Yeah, Casey thought, good morning. It's about 10:30. Tuesday, August the 26th on Holland America, the Noordam. This is my last time on the Noordam and my last sailing for any of the Holland American ships for this season. Coming in from the bridge.
And then go maybe a third of the way down.
They see some mountain goats, but I'm not going to be able to pick it up with this camera, my phone, because it doesn't zoom in good enough to do that. Unless we're much closer.
You see any eagles? Someone wanted to see an eagle today.
Send your requests.
I was like, I'm up in the bridge, maybe I can spot them.
But I'll try to see if we can see them.
Passengers are pointing. Any visible?
Yeah, we've got 4. Where you look at the peak, you look just to the right of the peak. There's about 4 goats up there.
4 of them. Gloomy goats.
Gloomy goats. Oh, and there's a dead one as well, but I don't know whether it's still there.
Oh, was it actually dead?
Yeah, because Kevin was like, if it's dead, if it's still there today. Last week he was like, if it's still there today, then it's definitely dead because it's been lying down for the past 2 days.
Yeah.
It's amazing how the Tlingit women would
But also we don't have
scale these
No,
rock face
I don't
and
talk about it. Because I
the
couldn't
weavers, and they
really
would
tell if
gather
it was
all
a
the
mountain goat or not.
mountain goat wool.
Like as I was seeing it sometimes.
We take
Oh,
2 to
there's some
3
right down
mountain
there.
goats worth of wool. They'll make 1 choke blanket.
Also a couple mountain goats lying low. Now not too visible off the bow, but I'd say midship around 3 o'clock on the right or starboard side. These 2 mountain goats are on the bottom of Gloomy Knob, on the right side of Gloomy Knob, very low by one of the low-hanging, low trees.
There's one just there too. On this
Oh,
little
yeah.
slope coming down.
Wow, they're really low.
They're really low today. That one doesn't look that great. It's either lying down or dead.
It's nice when they're up and moving around, then you can see them a lot easier.
Those ones are a bit more visible, Fred, on the lowest water line on the right.
I'll come over here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so
Might have to take it and put this on a computer and then zoom in to see if I can see anything.
Oh yeah, there's 2 more coming up. On one of these ridges, rounded ridges. There's 2 more right on the top. Where you've got lots of trees. I think that is the one that is dead.
Yeah, that's the one I thought was dead on this side.
Yeah, and there's also another one that was also dead the other day. Okay.
Yeah, time to invest into a better camera.
literally at 3 o'clock now, where you've got the one with the like all this speckly, like sandy appearance.
Mhm.
This one, if you look just at the top of that,
You're now,
2/3 of
over
it's
the line
two
of
goats on the top.
10:38. 10:38.
Oh, yeah.
But that one of them's lying down. That's where it's the one.
What's up there? Couple more mountain goats on Gloomy Knob here, also 3 o'clock position off the starboard side of this ship, where Gloomy Knob kind of has the speckled tan coloring, a bit lighter than some of the other parts of this rock face. At the top of it, I'd say top third portion of the mountain there are 2 white dots, and those are also some mountain goats. So pretty incredible getting to see how these animals are able to traverse down from the waterline all the way to the top of these incredibly steep terrains here, all because of the power of their split hooves and wool that keeps them warm and waterproof.
And zoom in for a couple white specks there. But from my perspective on the camera, I can't see it on my phone. So I hope, like I said, I'll zoom in when I download it on my computer. Hopefully able to see them. Now I'm going to zoom out. And then this Gloomy Knob is Jaanwu-Aani as we go by. And we keep making our way
Thank you for helping me spot
up there to the west arm. Over that way is going to be towards the east arm. Okay, have a great day.